description.
It's the king of noodles. It's the king of noodles. It's the king of noodles.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is a show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got one that came out of a Nakama Noodles box. Go to Meow, spelled M-I-A-U, meowboxjapan.com. Use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. Today we have Maruchan, Seimen, Miso Ramen, and 4 minutes. Okay. So I will make this for you and you can watch. Noodle block, sachet, 4 minutes. Oh yeah, yeah. Man, I need to get more of these little things. I get these Tupperware kind of looking things, and I use them a lot, like a lot, like a whole lot. Put my garnish in there. I've got one that says green onions all over it because it makes everything stink. And I mean, if there's leftovers or something, you don't want to use that green onion one to put your leftovers in, or everything's going to be like green oniony. And not everybody in the house loves green onions as much as I do. Oh, I'm sorry, I wandered off. I went and got my beverage. That's better. But yeah, it's Tuesday, and I don't know. Is it Thursday? I got another box coming on Thursday of noodles. I got one box that showed up yesterday, and so I'm just gonna wait until I have multiple boxes to do unboxing day. Which I gotta say, I love unboxing day because that means I get to open up boxes and see what's inside. And generally, it's a good thing. Yeah. Wildfires are still going. That was kind of a weird thing. They really politicized a lot of that, and I think it's, I don't know, tacky. If I had to summarize the Republican Party in one word, that would be the word I'd use for it. I just... cheap made hats and trying to get you to buy all these things and constantly begging for money. Granted, they all ask for money, but for, I don't know, it just all just, come on, get classy. That's all I can say. Speaking of not so classy, there's this thing called Dorf on Golf. It's D-O-R-F. Dorf on Golf. Cheesiest thing in the world. They used to run infomercials like back in the 80s saying, go check this out, it's so funny, Tim Conway is Dorf, and he's like a midget playing golf. But I think he was just basically, they dug 2 holes in the ground, up to his knees, and then they would like put these fake shoes on the front of his knees, and then he would like fall over and stuff and get electrocuted. They were just like really, really bad sight gags over and over and over again. It's like, as my children love to say, it's rather cringe. But oh. Oh, Caesar. So, if I was gonna dress this up super nice, I would have the butter, I would have the corn. I have butter, I have corn, but that's not the route I want to go today. If I really wanted to do it nice, I'd have minced pork too. Minced pork is good. Some of these Japanese varieties are ultra fancy, and they come with such things. I haven't had any of those recently. But this is this one. And this one, I've had it before, but it's been years, so I figured another review wouldn't be a horrible thing. But it's gonna taste the same. No, this is the deal. So these things change from time to time because of sourcing ingredients. So the miso in this very well may be completely different than the miso that I had previously. But it does smell like it's violent on the red miso front, and that doesn't really make me all that excited. I like a combo of red and white, not just straight red. Too earthy. This one, though, isn't bad. This is a good balance. I don't know what it's balancing with. Maybe it is white, but the olfactory, definitely, it reeks of that earth tone, earth profile of red miso. That's a pretty solid miso ramen, and that is from that Seimen. This stuff, this is like their premium range. So Nissan has raw. Well, Maruchan has Seimen. So we just started watching Squid Game Season 2. Looks like they shorted us a couple episodes. Is that the deal? Is Season 2 really only 7 episodes? That's kind of lame. I think it's kind of funny. But it's the same game, but it's different because dude's already done it. I don't know. Yeah. And we need an egg on this for certain. Go with this guy. That's a pretty big egg. I ended up getting more eggs. Was that yesterday? Yeah. Yesterday I got more of my fancy eggs. Whoa, come on. Come on. Whoa. Ah, I knew that was gonna happen. Ow, shit. There. Sometimes the egg, I really had a problem with this batch of eggs, folks. You might be wondering, wow, Ramen Raider, what's your problem with that batch of eggs, huh? Well, my problem with them is they're Eggland's best cage-free browns, and generally, they make an alright egg. Oh, I guess they don't make it, but I don't know what they're feeding those chickens, but maybe it's more chickens. I don't know, but it's not they're not the best shells. They just don't want to work with me very well, so I'm not entirely enthralled with their quality. I feel like I'm missing something here. There's some mung bean sprouts, some scallion. Oh, yeah. I don't know. And some sesame seeds. Man, I went to all those Asian groceries this weekend. I didn't get any sesame seed. Definitely don't want to get them at the local store. I actually went to the local store yesterday. It's a local store, you know, for local people. And wasn't a big fan of their selection of local things. I'm going to use this one today. I'm going to use the Bullet Garlic Chili Crisp from Taiwan. This stuff is really hot. And it adds a lovely touch to everything. A little sweet, nice garlic hit. Woo. Punchy. And there's some miso. Look at that. Ooh. All right, you ready for the next one? This is the new Prima Taste curry, Singapore curry laksa la mian. It's in a smaller size package. Instead of having the premix and the soup base, it has two soup bases that also have coconut milk in it. So this is a different one than I've ever reviewed. So I'm really excited about that, and that'll be on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.